Viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing, and avoiding crowded places. In the headlines today, in-house fabricated self-propelled slag car of SMS-1 inaugurated at SAIL RSP. And students of Ispat English Medium School outshine in board exams. Now the news in detail. An in-house developed slag-propelled car was inaugurated by Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO, in a function organized at Structural and Fabrication Shop of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant recently. The CEO handed over the slag car to Steel Melting Shop 1 in the presence of Mr. Pankaj Kumar, Executive Director Works, Mr. A.K. Kundu, Executive Director Mines, Mr. S.R. Suryavanshi, Executive Director Operation, Mr. A.K. Pradhan, Executive Director Projects, Mr. P.K. Satpathy, Executive Director P&A, Mr. C.R. Mahapatra, CGM in charge MM and Marketing, Mr. Praveen Nigam, CGM in charge F&A, Mr. Shoibal Chakrabarti, CGM in charge Maintenance, Mr. A.V. Rajshekhar, CGM Mechanical, Mr. T.T. Lahiri, CGM in charge Services, Mr. R.N. Rajendran, CGM Shops, and other senior executives of the plant. Notably, the self-propelled slag cars are used to transfer the generated slag from the LD converters to the dumping yard at Slag Bay of SMS-1. There are 6 slag cars being used in SMS-1 since 1966 and have got deformed severely in course of time. Hence, they used to get derailed, causing disruption in production. Hence, the need of replacing the same was felt. The group of employees of shops S&F, namely Mr. A.K. Sahu, Manager, Mr. S.K. Paul, Assistant Manager, Mr. P.K. Peda and Mr. A.K. Nayak, both Master Technicians, Mr. S.S. Pati, Mr. G.C. Behra, Mr. K. Mohapatro, Mr. R. Topo, Mr. N.K. Malik, Mr. V.K. Swai, and Mr. A.K. Raut, all senior technicians, and Mr. K.K. Ganda, TCO, took the challenge to fabricate the car with in-house resources by using the old wheel axles and drive unit after repairing and reconditioning of the same. Perfect dimensioning and proper alignment of the 3 wheel axles were the main challenge in fabrication of the car. Both the side plates of the car frame were modified and fabricated with thicker plates to improve its strength and longer service life. With their maiden effort to develop the slag car in-house, the employees have saved significant cash outflow, as a new car would have cost the company about Rs 45 lakhs. The students of Ispat English Medium School, Sector 20, have recorded an outstanding performance in the Class 12 and Class 10 ISE and ICSE board examinations. In Class 12 board examination, Amarendra Panda, son of Mr. Debendra N. Panda, Senior Technician SP1, topped the school with 99.76%. Jayesh Nayak, son of Mr. Dinesh Kumar Nayak, SOST RMHP, secured the second position with 99.5%, and Manisha Malik, daughter of Mr. Ranjan Rashmi Malik, SOST WMD, stood third with 99%. In all, 105 students had appeared the Class 12 examination, out of which 36 students secured more than 90%, 45 students scored between 80 to 90%, 18 students obtained marks between 70 to 80%, and 6 persons secured between 60 to 70%. In the Class 10 board examination, P. Amrita, daughter of Mr. P.K. Peda, Shops and Fabrication, was the topper of the school with 99%. 8 students secured the second position with 98.80%. They are Sai Rajiv, son of Mrs. J. Padi, MM, Stuti Lekha Patnaik, daughter of Mr. P. Patnaik, RCM, Aditya P. Sethi, son of Mr. R.C. Sethi, SMS2, Gayatri Bidhani, daughter of Mr. B.P. Bidhani, Co-Governance, Shweta Bal, daughter of Mr. S.K. Bal, SMS2, Priyanka Sahu, daughter of Mr. R.K. Sahu, RNC Lab, Sangeeta Sarangi, daughter of Mr. D. Sarangi, HSM, and P.S. Pratik Panda, son of Mr. P.K. Panda, RMHP. 3 students bagged third rank with 98.60%. They are Priyabhat Panda, son of Mr. J.K. Panda, SMS2, Swati Sikruti Mishra, daughter of Mr. B.M. Mishra, RMHP, and Rudradev Priyadarshi, son of Mr. S.K. Jena, SMS1. The top 3 students of Ispat English Medium School Sector 22 are Subhranshu Behra, son of Mr. Santosh Kumar Behra with 89.4% marks, Smita K. Malik, daughter of Mr. Krishna Chandra Malik with 88.6%, and Ashmit A. Bara, son of Mr. Rajesh Kumar Bara, Fire Services Department with 88.4%. In all, 152 students appeared Class 10 board examination from both IEMS Sector 20 and 22, of which 82 students secured more than 90%, 46 students had their marks between 80 to 90%, 16 students obtained marks between 70 to 80%, and 8 students were in the range of 60 to 70%. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.